Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Indian English by Ranjita. I hope you all are doing well. I am also doing great too. So friends, today is a special day for me because I have completed my 30 days English speaking challenge. And honestly, I want to say that when I was started my this challenge, so I that time I thought whether I would be able to complete it or not. But I have completed and I did it. So I want to say thank you to all my viewers, to all my subscribers who was supported me and who is supporting me now also, and who is watching my video. So thank you to all my friends. Okay, and thank you God who has given me this wonderful opportunity to take this challenge. And yeah, I have completed and I am very happy and I feel proud of myself. I did it. So friends, today I want to talk about my this challenge, this journey, where I started, means how I started and why I started. Okay, so friends, I want to tell you, like when I was started, means before 30 days I was speaking English, but not more than 1 minute 2 minutes I was speaking. But and I was very comfortable. I was enjoying my journey. Little by little I was speaking, little by little I was learning. But I wanted to more fluent. I wanted to be a good speaker and I wanted to good means I wanted to good vocabulary. So that's why I took this challenge, because if we take any challenge, so we have to do it. Okay, we have to do it, and we have to complete it honestly. So that's why I took this challenge. And when I started my challenge, so that time I thought, if I didn't complete this challenge, why means what people will say about me. I was afraid and I was nervous. But some my friends, they told me, means before this challenge, some friends told me, you don't give up, you don't means you have to do your best. Okay, so I thought that yeah, I took this challenge and then I have to complete it. And then I took this decision to take challenge and I completed it. Okay, and friends, I have means I have faced many struggle while this journey, because consistency is the most important in my this journey. Everyday practice is there, and every day I uploaded my video, uploaded I every day I did practice. So it was very struggling period, I could say, because everyday practice is the must. But we can't get every day. Okay, but somehow I manage because of my children. Sometimes I didn't get environment, I could say, some quiet place I didn't get, and some quiet okay, so that's why I face struggle. But otherwise now I am habitual to make video, I am habitual to speak English. So I am not feeling any burden in my head. Okay, so this thing I struggle a lot, means consistency. And while speaking I stuck sometimes, because I'm not perfect now also. I'm not perfect, I can't say I am perfect. So I want to say that that struggle taught me many things. Means if I take challenge, so I have to do it. I am a stubborn person, I could say. If I take any challenge, so I have to do it any cost, anyhow I have to do it. So that's how I completed this challenge. And my biggest another struggle is that I was not getting right words in a right time. Okay, so now I improved a lot in this journey, in this challenge. So I want to say that if you want to improve yourself, so take this challenge, take another challenge, take any challenge. Okay, then you have to do it. Okay, then you feel very great about yourself and very confident, because I am confident and I can take more challenges in my life. I want to take more challenges. Okay, so that's why I want to tell you also. So when I was not doing my this challenge, I was practicing, but one day practicing, then 2 days leave, then 2 days practice, and one day leave. I did that, and I was very comfortable with my practice. Okay, so if you want to be fluent, if you want to achieve something, you have to come out from your comfort zone. So I took this decision, and I come out from my comfort zone and I achieved it. Okay, so this was my struggle. And sometimes grammar mistakes, sometimes didn't get right words, and sometimes consistency, sometimes patience. I lost my patience sometimes. Okay, I one day I taught I talked with my elder one, and talk I have to give up. Okay, because I am very tired. So he told me, look, no mama, you have to move, you have to don't give up. So that supportive family I have, so that's why I completed this challenge. And supportive friends I have, so I have completed this challenge. So struggle is there. If struggle is there, so some achievements are also there. So if you want to achieve something, so you have to face any struggle, you have to come out from your comfort zone. Then you will be able to achieve something, you will be able to reach your goal. Okay, so this was my journey. And now I am feeling very happy because I have completed this challenge. It was not easy for a housewife. Okay, I am a homemaker and I have to do many things. Means in a day I have to do many work. But I take this challenge as my another work. Like if I do any other work, so I have to do this work also in a day. So this type of thought I had, and I achieve my goal. Means I have completed this 30 days challenge. And so that's why I am happy now because I did this. And now I am more patient. Now I am more comfortable with this language. Now I have more fluency. Now I have more confident, I could say. Okay, so because before 30 days I was comfortable, and I was confident, but not more. Okay, but now I have completed this challenge, so I am more confident, and I want to take another challenge. Okay, so in upcoming my video I will um, I I don't have means I didn't decide now, but I will decide after means I will decide that what will I do after this challenge, and I will share with you very soon. And yeah, it is not ending time. Okay, I have completed only one challenge. I have to take more challenges, and I will do my best. So this is the thing, and yeah, I wanted to share with you because hooray, I completed it. Okay, and yeah, so friends, if you are learning English or you want to achieve anything, so you have to do it, and don't give up, don't think negative. Okay, don't think negative, only think positive and take action, and then you will be able to achieve anything. Okay, I could say, because uh, earlier I was not this type of person who believe in ourselves. Okay, myself, who was not comfortable with this language, who was not confident lady. Okay, but now I can say that I can see my progress. So that's why I am telling you that you should take challenge, and if you want to join my challenge, so you welcome from for my challenge, an upcoming challenge, and you should watch my previous video, and you should learn something from that video, and yeah, so this is my journey, and yeah. So friends, today is day 30 and I have completed, and we will meet tomorrow definitely, and keep practicing, keep smiling, keep moving forward in your life, and keep believe in yourself. We will meet tomorrow of I don't know. Okay, so bye bye.